to others? Will we take the risk that people might ridicule us, avoid us, challenge us for the sake of the hope that they might say yes to Jesus? We have a choice. Will we be like the faithful servants who put their minds to work, who invested their minds, who believed that their master was good, and he made a great and a good king? Not like the subjects who hated the man of noble birth and opposed his kingship and the kingdom, and they hid their mina in a cloth. Do you have it settled that Jesus is a good king and that God's kingdom is good for you? Do you believe that the great invitation is truly life-giving? Can you imagine? Will you believe for a movement of God that starts here at Urbana 12? Will you, Urbana, have a rallying cry